Alright. Now that I got me some gloves, we're going to start getting some of this wire cut out of here. Pretty heavy duty furnace wire. Oh, freebies first. Alright. Oh, where are we going here? That one be going there, that one be going there. When I take my number 2 insulated wire in, low grade wire, whatever it is, they only have one category at my yard. It doesn't matter if I take these wire nuts off, it don't matter if this stupid thing's on there, it all goes in the bin. The one price at my yard and one price only. It's not too bad either. I think right now it's like 60 cents a pound or something like that, so. Leave all them ends on there. Done with it. Holy moly, that's gonna be fun to cut through. I think that's all of that. Okay. Now if it was different prices, I would take the time to cut those ends off, but why cut them all off if I'm going to get the same price? Oh, get some of this wire chopped up and out of here. It's just one more piece of the puzzle done. Okay, I think we'll take those loose and then just pull them. That's what the plan is. Okay. I was gonna take them loose, but they're acting like they want to just pull right out. Hey, they want to pull out, just pull them out. Make any bit of difference to me. Get these guys cut. Okay. You know that. This is actually some decent wire right here. Oh yeah. That's getting stripped. Oh yeah, this is getting stripped. It's always nice. Okay. Those are holding up, that's good. Okay. And then, if my calculations are correct, almost correct, nope. Where are y'all going? One of the fan motors. And this whole big pile of wire is out. That is out. He's cut. Them in the bin. More wire to strip. Woohoo. Just trying to get some of this out of the way. Straggler, you get yourself in there. He's down, they're so freaking long. Okay. A little more wire up. Alright. Oh. Alright, that's what happens when you ain't paying attention. You start missing stuff. Okay. Alright, so that's only got two Phillips in it. Not that I really want to monkey with that right now anyhow. Get these screws gone. All these screws. My bucket full of ice. All right. I'm not sure what's holding that on. What's up? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. You said 325? Oh, okay. All right. Yep. Done making a video. Good. All right. Yeah. All right.